Big news for talented professionals. Ministerial Direction 112 is shaking up Australia's National Innovation Visa. Let's dive in. Now, this direction replaces Direction 89, effective from 6 December 2024, and sets out clear priorities for processing Subclass 858 visa applications. It used to be called Global Talent Visa, now it's called the National Innovation Visa. Now, priority 1. Exceptional candidates who are global experts and recipients of prestigious international awards like the Nobel Prize, field medals, or even Olympic gold medals, and many more. Priority 2. Candidates nominated by an expert Australian government agency on the approved Form 1000, Form 1000. Priority 3. Candidates with exceptional and outstanding achievements in Tier 1 sectors, such as critical technologies, health industries, and renewables and low-emission technologies. Priority 4. Applicants excelling in Tier 2 sectors like agri-food, agri-tech, defense capabilities, space, education, financial services, and fintech. So if you fall into any of these 4 priorities, there can be a chance of you being able to access this visa as long as you're really well renowned in your industry. Now, what counts as exceptional? Exceptional and outstanding achievements means that you are the top person in your field, or one of the top people. Holding a PhD from a globally ranked university, publications in top journals like Nature or Lancet, winning national research grants, holding recognized international patents, or earning above the Australian high income threshold with a job offer to match that. Now, for the current financial year, the Fair Work high income threshold is $183,100, excluding any bonuses or super or provident fund or whatever it's called in different countries around the world. So the base salary should be $183,100. For priority 2 application, achievements can include entrepreneurial success, top sports or arts awards, and even community impact initiatives aligned with strategic priorities of nominating agencies. Now, because this needs to be a government agency that nominates you as per the Form 1000, these are the industries that it covers or part of what you can do. Now, who does this new Direction 112 apply to? It applies to any application lodged after 6th December 2024 and any pending decisions as of this date. However, remitted cases from the tribunal, the AAT or the ART, are exempt from this priority order. This new direction highlights Australia's focus on attracting global innovators and achievers. If you think you qualify for this visa, contact us today for some expert guidance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more immigration updates. See you in the next video.